Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to convert Figma design to WordPress tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. If you are searching for a collaboration tool and design software, just click the link in the description box below to get started and sign up with Figma today. And before we head on to the step-by-step tutorial for this one, let's do a quick overview onto what is Figma. Figma is actually a cloud-based design collaboration tool that has become integral in the field of user interface and user experience design. So this has been allowing designers to create, prototype, and collaborate on designs in real time, and it has been eliminating the need for traditional design software installation. So Figma's importance lies in its collaborative feature. So these enable multiple team members to work simultaneously on the design, comment on specific elements, and provide feedback in real time. So this cloud-based approach enhances efficiency, fosters seamless collaboration among design teams, developers, and stakeholders, and has been ensuring that everyone involved is working with the most up-to-date version of the project. So these versatility and accessibility make it a cornerstone tool to modern design workflows, facilitating the creation of visually appealing and user-friendly digital products. So as you can see, it has also a dev mode wherein it brings design and dev closer. So this is a new space in Figma for developers, bringing clarity to design and giving developers the tools they need to translate them into the code. So also, here on Figma onto the design system, you could scale designs and development. So these will save you time and keep things consistent with reusable assets in shared library, standardized components and variables so that there's more time for exploration and less time doing busy work. Also, there is FigJam, wherein you could align your team because FigJam is an online whiteboard where everyone who builds product can collaborate. So you could use it to bring your team together in new ways, from kick-offs and stand-ups to rituals and retros. So this is what it would look like. And for you to be able to get started, right after you click onto the description box below, you should get redirected onto this website, and for us to be able to create an account, you'll just have to click on to get started for free. Now signing up on Figma is just easy. You'll have the option to continue using your Google account, wherein you'll just need to choose the Google account that you want to use or type in your email and password, and then you'll also have the option to agree to join Figma's mailing list. So you'll just have to click onto the checkbox in here and then create account. So please do note that by clicking create account for this continue with Google, you should agree to the Figma TOS and privacy policy. So you could also use a single sign-on, and if you have an account already, just simply click onto login. So just the same process, it is really straightforward. You could continue using your Google account, type in your email and password, and log in for that one. So personally, I try to use continue with Google every time so that I don't have to remember my email and password. I'll just have to click onto the account that I want to use. And then right after logging in or signing up, you should get redirected onto this page. So this is what Figma's dashboard looks like. So currently we're here onto the recent or the home, wherein you should be able to see in here the FigJam. So there are some things or more like a tutorial here onto the upper part for that one. And mainly here onto the recent, you should be able to see the recently viewed files onto your account. You also have the shared files and the shared projects. So there are different filters in here that you could activate. We also have here onto the upper part, if you want to create from scratch, the design file, wherein you could choose where to add the design into your team project or into your draft, also the FigJam board, and you could import also from other websites. Now going here onto the left side, you should be able to see your account settings, wherein it gives you an option to see the account, change the theme, settings, desktop app, your account in here, add in another account, and log out your account. You could also see the notification and your teams and drafts, and since currently we're using the free plan, if you want to go beyond, there are also free premium features that it offers. So let's click onto view plans for that. Now you could go ahead also and choose a plan that is right for you. There are two options for that, the monthly billing and the yearly billing. So as you can see, we're currently using the starter, which is free for trying things out, but we also have the professional, which is the most popular for you and your team, with unlimited files and all the pro features. So these are the different prices for that, and the organization for bringing teams together, sharing an org-wide design system, and many more, and here is the price for that. So you could contact sales for that one. And if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see the different things that it offers onto its specific plan. Now, if you want to go ahead and try to use that, just click onto upgrade, fill in the details, so you should be able to use that plan. And you could also see all features in here so that you could compare it and you could actually choose which one is right for you. Now going back, you should be able to see the favorite files as well. Now if you hover onto any file in here, and you could see the start button, if you click it, it should be added in here. Now the teams, you have your account team in here, the team project, you could create a new team, and the explore community, so that you should be able to browse the different things that are done by other users. So actually gonna use this onto our conversion since we don't have a design ready. So if you have a design ready, you could just skip this specific step and just go on directly onto your design. So here, we're just gonna do a quick overview as well into the Figma community. So this is where you could explore thousands of free and paid templates, plugins, and UI kits to kickstart your next big idea. Now scrolling down further, we'll just need to get something in here. So let's just try to filter it for free and just Figma in here. Let's try to get something or more like a design wherein we could go ahead and try to use this for our design or our conversion. Now, for example, we're just gonna scroll down in here. We could just go ahead and try to use this. Click onto that, open this into Figma, and then right after we could go ahead and try to use this design. Now, once you have gone ahead and already prepared your design, the next thing that you could do in here is to head onto the plugins. So just need to click here onto the files. You should be able to see plugins in here, manage plugins, and then you should be able to see the search bar in here. So what you'll need to search in here is the Yotako one. So I'm gonna search Yotako in here, and you should be able to see Figma to WordPress. So you could also search Figma to WordPress in there. So this is by Yotako. So you'll just have to click onto this one, and you could actually need to install it first if you don't have installed it onto yours or into your account. Since I have installed it or used it before, it has gone ahead and redirected me onto this pop-up screen. So it's just a straightforward process. You'll just have to click onto the run to install the specific plugin. Then right after, just the same process. Once you have this one pop up, so you should be able to see the screen in here. So you need to enter your email to start. So you have also the examples in here to get started in some tutorial. So this is actually an important step of typing in your email, since this is where you should be able to receive the converted plugin that you could have onto your WordPress account. Now right after that, just simply click on to start now, and you should be able to see your Figma URL. So you need this one. So we need you to share the design to Yotako, and they won't share it to anyone. So you need to type in your Figma URL in here. And if you don't know how to do that, there's actually a step here. You'll just need to click onto the share button in here. So we're gonna go ahead and change to can edit in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and click the copy link. Right after it has been copied, we're gonna paste it in here and click on to create your website. Now the next step will ask you to select the frames as the main page for publishing, and you could add as many screen size frames as needed. So you'll just need to click onto the different frames that you could see here onto your account. Click onto add frame for that one, and then once you have that, you'll just need to click onto continue to proceed to step 2. So as you can see in here, there is actually a Yotako AI assistant right after you click for the next step. So this assistant will try to automatically detect interactive and WordPress elements. So it will just take an estimated time here to complete it, and you could just use it so that it would be easier for you. So as you can see, it will load for you. You'll just have to wait for this one. Since the analysis is complete, you could go ahead and proceed to the step 2. So you need to select the viewport for that one, and then the WordPress element, you need to click onto each one in here, as well as the web elements, and then just click on to continue once you are done selecting. And for the step 3, you should be able to see the summary. So you should be able to see the number of pages selected for your main page and the elements selected for that one. And if you need to change anything, you could just click on the steps at the top or here to go back for that. Let's just click on to continue to proceed so that Yotako would start building it, and it would go ahead and send the file onto your email. Now once it is done, you should be able to see this one. So as you can see, it has done building, and you should be able to receive it through your email that you have provided onto the first part of the plugin. Now right after, you'll just need to head onto WordPress for that. So once you receive the email, just head here onto the appearance, click onto themes, and then so You should be able to see install new theme in here. This is where you're gonna go ahead and drag and drop the file in here that you have received into your email so that you could install the theme from your plugin. And that's just basically it on to converting your Figma design to WordPress. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.